In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use masks for editing in GIMP, a tutorial specially crafted for beginners. Image manipulation and editing can sometimes feel daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can create stunning visuals. One of the most powerful tools available in GIMP is the use of layer masks. Understanding and mastering this feature will significantly enhance your editing skills, enabling you to create seamless compositions and sophisticated effects. To begin, let's take a look at your Layers panel. Find the layer you want to work with, then right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Add Layer Mask. This is the initial step to start masking. Layer masks in GIMP allow you to control the transparency of different parts of a layer. This means you can reveal or hide parts of an image without permanently deleting any information. You'll notice a new dialog box that gives you several options for initializing your layer mask. For this tutorial, choose the option labeled White, Full Opacity. Selecting white means the entire layer will be visible to start with. This is important because white on a layer mask represents visibility, while black means invisibility. Once your layer mask is added, get ready to unleash your creativity using brushes. In GIMP, painting on the layer mask with black will hide parts of the layer, while painting with white will reveal them. This dual action may initially seem tricky, but it offers you incredible flexibility and control over which areas of your layer are visible. Feel free to experiment here, as you cannot harm the original layer. The layer mask acts like a safety net. For more precision in your edits, switch to a softer brush. Adjusting the brush's hardness and size will help you fine-tune your masking, allowing for smoother transitions and preventing hard-edged lines that might disrupt the aesthetic flow of your image. This is especially useful in complex images, where blending is critical. Remember, the softer the brush, the more gradual the transition between hidden and visible areas will be. This is ideal for tasks like softening edges or creating gradients. Layer masks are a non-destructive way to make adjustments, which means you can always modify them without altering your original image. This feature is an invaluable asset when working on intricate edits, as it provides the flexibility to go back and tweak or completely change your adjustments without starting over. So there you have it, the essentials of using masks in GIMP. Practice these techniques, explore their potential, and you'll soon discover just how powerful and versatile layer masks can be. Keep experimenting and have fun with your image editing. Thanks for watching.